We are here with Alok Bhatia from Canvas Infotech Inc. Welcome to TiECon. So what brings you to TiECon?
Well, I've always come to TiECon every year. I think it's a great platform for entrepreneurs to showcase what they have, and I love being a part of that group.
Amazing. So tell us more about your company.
My company name is Canvas Infotech Inc. We are based in Fremont. We have offices in Sunnyvale and India. Our business model is that we take fresh graduates from college and we get them a job. We especially specialize in those candidates who do not have IT background, but we give them excellent training in business analysis, project management, QA, and then get them jobs in Wells Fargo, Kaiser, eBay, Yahoo, PayPal. So a lot of students join us for that reason.
So you have like a training system. How do you provide them with all the education?
It's an extremely intense training for about 6 weeks where we have hands-on tools, we have a lab with many computers, we have all kinds of applications there, Quick Test Pro, Load Runner, Quality Center, all these tools used by QA engineers and business analysts. So we give hands-on training, hard work, 6 weeks, and we get them a job in as little as 3 months.
So today at TiECon, what would you like to take away?
Like to take away a sense of entrepreneurship from everybody around me, hardworking people out to make a difference, and I want to be one of them. I want to be known as the best company in Bay Area and perhaps in America, where fresh graduates can join us and become IT professionals.
Well, I wish you all the best. And so quickly, would you like to give any recommendations to the attendees here? How can they make the best out of the conference?
I would say it's a great place. I encourage them to go to all these amazing speakers and all these presentations going on and learn from it and implement them in their own jobs and their companies.
Well, thank you, Alok. All the best.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.